Uvuyokazi, she's now laughing at Hazel after Uzozo posted his new girlfriend. Siyamkhalela laphana Hazel, guys. Uvuyokazi, she's having a great time of her life. So anyway, guys, let's get started today. Now the rest of the house is somebody peace and for welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday, guys. A few weeks ago, Bezimkhalela Uvuyokazi, everybody was just turning against Uvuyokazi. So guys, a girlfriend yakazo, so the one and only we know, the main chick, Hazel, went to a podcast, their Indian Life with Lungele, to explain the whole situation, what happened between a boyfriend yake and Vuyokazi. It was not necessary because she already explained on her Instagram story, guys. So after the video was released, within less than an hour, Uzozo posted his new girlfriend. Hazel had no choice. She was busy calling out to Uzonzo, saying a 35-year-old man cheating. She was busy removing the pictures. Even Zozo has removed the pictures of Hazel. The guy played both of them, and I don't understand Hazel to think she's so special. Guys, when it comes to Zonzo, Zonzo has done a lot. So for Hazel to think she was special than Vuyokazi, look at now, it ended in tears for her. So this is what Uvuyokazi posted on her Instagram story, guys. She was having a great time of her life. So people were just saying, but Hazel, we told you, stop this thing. You already explained. There's no need for you to continue embarrassing Uvuyokazi. So anyway, guys, it is what it is said. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take